If you're looking to make passive income online, partnering with Google AdSense is a smart move. Here's why. Getting started with Google AdSense is a breeze. The sign-up process is simple, and the platform provides clear instructions on how to set up ads on your website. You don't need to be a tech whiz to get started. Also, if you are using YouTube, it's very simple, especially once you hit the monetization milestone, you can monetize very easily on YouTube as well. Second, lucrative earning potential. Google AdSense offers a revenue sharing model, allowing website owners to earn money every time a visitor clicks on ads displayed on their site or on their videos. The more traffic you get, the more clicks and money you can generate. Diversified ad inventory. Google AdSense offers a vast selection of advertisers, ensuring that relevant and high-quality ads are displayed on your media, such as your website and videos. This increases the likelihood of attracting clicks and maximizing your earnings potential. Automation and optimization. Google's algorithm automatically optimizes the ads displayed on your medium to maximize revenue. This means you can focus on creating engaging content while Google takes care of the rest. Scalability. With Google AdSense, there is no limit to how much you can earn. As your website or your YouTube channel grows and attracts more visitors, your earning potential can grow as well. Let's talk about making money with Google two ways: YouTube and also with niche content sites with AdSense. If you're looking for ways to make passive income, Google AdSense is extremely simple. I've already talked about some of the great benefits of AdSense, but let's go ahead and drill into YouTube first. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, making it a prime platform to reach a wide audience. By creating engaging and valuable video content, you can build a following and monetize your channel through Google AdSense. This means that ads will be displayed alongside your videos, and you'll earn money whenever viewers interact with those ads. Now let's go ahead and talk about niche content websites. This is another great way to earn money through Google AdSense. And the way you do it is by creating content. And I recommend creating niche content sites where you're focused on a very narrow topic that gets a lot of traffic. These websites, they can focus on specific topics or industries, providing valuable information to a targeted audience. By incorporating Google AdSense into your site, you can earn money when visitors click on those ads. It's important to create high-quality content and drive traffic to your site to maximize your earnings. Whether you choose YouTube or niche content sites, using Google AdSense can be a lucrative way to generate passive income. Just remember to create compelling content, engage with your audience, and optimize your ads for maximum performance. Let's go ahead and talk about something where most people will just think that they could just slap together a website and make money, but you need traffic. That's actually a very key factor for making money, making passive income using Google Ads. As mentioned before, the more visitors you have, the higher chances you have of earning income. So how do you get those visitors? Here are a few strategies. First of all, you can create quality content. Whether you're blogging or creating videos, that will help you reach your target audience as long as that content is relevant to them. So when you create content, especially using keywords that are high demand, low competition, you can help increase your visibility. And then the better the quality content you create, this will help visitors stay longer, increase retention and impressions. There's something called SEO. That stands for Search Engine Optimization. If you're working on a website, you can work on relative keywords, meta tags, proper formatting of your content, and also something called backlinks. But if you're using YouTube, it's very simple. All you have to do is create quality content. Some people do create backlinks, but many of the content creators on YouTube do not. So just create awesome content that is relevant to your audience and publish it, especially with a thumbnail that can increase your click-through rate. You can also promote your videos or your content through social media, whether you're using Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or even Twitter, which is also known as X nowadays. You can use those platforms, share your content, engage with your audience, build community, and encourage them to share your content as well. You can also pay for traffic. Whether you're on Facebook, you're boosting posts, or you're using Google, or even Bing ads, Microsoft ads, you could increase your traffic by paying for it. So with those platforms, you can, of course, increase the range, the width of your audience, but it does come at a cost. Just remember that the success of your AdSense earnings, it depends on the quality of your traffic and the relevance of the ads displayed. And also, you don't want to click on your own ads. That's a mistake that many AdSense people have learned in the past. Do not click on your ads. But it's very important to create that quality traffic. Not all traffic is the same. Just because you get high views on your videos, it doesn't mean that you'll make money. The more connected your audience is with you and with your content, the chances are greater. Let's talk about something called AdSense arbitrage. With this strategy, it involves paying for traffic and then sending that to your media, whether, again, it's your blog content or your YouTube videos. And with this strategy, what you're trying to do is, of course, make more money through the ad clicks than what you would be paying in ads. So what I typically like to do is, if I'm using a blog post, I would embed my video into that page, and that's how I would send traffic. And there's other ways to actually send traffic, but the easiest way is to start with creating high quality content, especially on your website and on your YouTube channel. Again, embed that YouTube video into your page and send traffic to it. What type of traffic can you send? Yeah, I've mentioned other platforms already, like Google ads, Facebook ads. You could use Pinterest ads. You could use X ads. It all depends on you. Just be careful that you select the proper keywords, demographics. Make sure you are reaching the right audience to maximize your chances. And this seems kind of easy. It's easier said than done because it takes a while to actually learn about paid advertising. You have to pay close attention to your ad performance because some keywords and some audiences, they react in different ways. And the different ad formats you have, the different content that you are sending people to, those can all, of course, impact your click-through rates and your retention. So this requires careful planning and execution. And of course, with all these ad platforms and with AdSense, you want to make sure that you read up on the policies and guidelines at the time to avoid penalties or even account suspension. I've learned the long and hard way that there are things that a lot of marketers, gurus will tell you to do, but sometimes those are actually gray areas and later on interpreted as black areas that lead to, again, penalties and account suspension. So you want to pay attention to the terms and conditions of the different platforms you are using. For me, I personally like organic traffic, especially from the search engines. This is called SEO, or search engine optimization. So what this is when you are searching for something, whether it's on Google or YouTube, you'll type in some keywords and then you'll land on some content. You'll see the results after you type in that special phrase, that keyword. So the whole idea here is, of course, to be on the top of the listing, closer to number one, so you will get more clicks to your content. And of course, with more clicks, that can boost your earnings. So how do you do this? How do you attract search engine optimized traffic and have them click on your Google ads and make more money? First of all, keyword research is extremely important. You want to identify relevant keywords that users are searching for in your niche, incorporate those keywords strategically into your content to improve its search engine rankings. Of course, you want to create quality content, high quality, informative, and engaging content that is valuable to your target audience. And this is something where back in the day, people would not focus on quality and they'd focus more on quantity and focus on keywords. But just keep in mind that people, real human beings, are reading your content, and that metric of getting people to go to your content, read it, and keep that retention high is very crucial nowadays. There's something called on-page optimization. I've talked about using keywords. You just want to make sure that your titles, your meta descriptions, your tags, all the content, including your subheadings, are all put into your content in a very cohesive manner. It has to be intuitive. And then last is backlinks. This is an advanced strategy. People can actually rank content on YouTube very easily without backlinks. Some content, of course, that's more competitive will require more, like let's say an aged profile. And with a website, having an aged website helps. But sometimes people, especially hardcore SEO geeks, they will use backlinks. Backlinks is a way for Google or whatever search engine to know that your content is trusted and relevant. And that happens when other websites with great authority link back to your content. Again, that could be your web page or it could be your YouTube videos. And by implementing SEO strategies, you can drive more traffic to your properties, your YouTube channel, your website, and of course, increase your chances of generating passive income. So now that you have this idea of AdSense, I want to give you this bonus, and it's a way to earn even more passive income, and it's through something called an affiliate program. Affiliate marketing is a powerful strategy that you can use to generate more passive income around the clock in addition to your AdSense income earned through Google. So what you do is partner with affiliate networks, merchants to promote their products or services on your website or on your YouTube videos, especially through your description. I typically put a link in my description where I link out to affiliate programs, and that will help you make more money. So here are some tips. First, choose the right affiliate programs. Look for programs that align with your niche or target audience. Select products or services that you genuinely believe in and would recommend to others. If you are not in a niche yet, or if you are in the make money online niche, make sure that you check out the link in my description. To me, it's like one of my favorite affiliate programs. I will promote different things. I will promote different products, but there's one course, one product that I've been promoting for a long time. Make sure that you check out, again, the link in my description for more information. Then, of course, as usual with AdSense, you would have had valuable content created already, but that's also very important when you are building out content to promote affiliate programs, products, and services. You want to create content that educates, entertains, or solves a problem. And by offering value, you establish trust with your readers, your viewers, making them more likely to click on your affiliate links. So now we could talk about optimization. How can you optimize your content to get those clicks and eventually conversions where people actually buy from your links? First of all, you got to strategically place that link somewhere. Like let's say you're creating a blog post. I recommend putting a link somewhere near the top, somewhere near the bottom. Even if you want to put a link in the middle, that's fine, depending on how long your content is. You could have banners on your sidebar, on top and the bottom of your site. That's what I typically do. On your videos, I typically create content that is valuable to provide some information to my viewers, my target audience, and then I'll tell people to check out the link in my description. So of course, if you check out the link in my description, there's a product or service I'm promoting, and it's something that I find is valuable for myself and also for my viewers. on my YouTube channel, I'll mention that. So check out the link in my description. That's what I typically say. And then you want to track and analyze your results. If you're using websites, I use something called Google Analytics that will allow you to keep an eye on your marketing performance. And on YouTube, it's built in. You don't have to worry about inserting a special code on your property. It's already built into YouTube. Just keep an eye on your metrics. Your analytics will show you how long people are watching your videos and which videos gets the most views. So that is just a quickie on all this on promoting and making money through AdSense. Just keep in mind that all this, it takes time and it takes effort. It's a real business. And even if you don't make money in the first month, second month, third month, even 6 months, just remember, this is a consistency game. And if you are doing things right, like let's say picking keywords that are high demand and low competition, and the more you do this over time, with the time that you have available, whether that's 1 day a week or posting videos every day of the week, or even posting videos or content once every 2 weeks, whatever time frame that you have, you just want to be consistent for the long term. And of course, if you're posting less content, again, whether that's a blog post or a video, it's going to take longer if you don't have much out there. The more hooks that you have out there, the more fish that you'll be able to catch. And I'm not, of course, referring to people as fish, but I think you get the idea. The more content that you have out there, you are increasing, you're maximizing your chances of earning more money. You just have to make sure that you have that mindset right, where this does take, of course, dedication. You have to commit to this business. Of course, it is up to you to decide whether you want to run this business for whatever amount of time that you want. Another tip that I want to give you, this is the final one. Diversify your income streams. I've talked about Google. I've talked about monetization through YouTube. I've talked about affiliate programs. What I've done so far is that I've talked to you about 2 different income streams. Again, AdSense and affiliate programs, and then there's one more. And what I recommend is making sure that you have a way of contacting your target audience for the long term. Because if you're just building a relationship where it's just one way, you're building content and you're just having people watch it, you're not interacting, then that is not putting your time in its best place. You want to make sure that with all these different strategies that I'm sharing, that you are taking full advantage of what you have just by spending a little bit more time, whether you're building an email list, whether you are building a social media profile, a group, forum, whatever you want to do to extend that amount of time and have a two-way conversation with your audience. That will put you in a better situation. And that is one of my favorite ways to diversify my income streams. And that's by, again, building up your audience, building up your list, your email list. And that will help you, again, increase your chances of getting more clicks to your ads. Later on down the road, you could share your content through, like, let's say your emails or your Facebook group, whatever group that you are connected to, and let people know that here's another way that you can reach out to me, and here's another way, a platform where we can actually engage in a conversation. So that's all for now. This is Charles Draven from InfoSpike. I want to thank you for watching this video. Again, check out the link in my description. There's a lot of content that I provided in this. All it takes is for you to commit, make that decision to build your business and do it consistently.